So you want to buy a house. Well, there's 5 things you can do right now to help improve your credit score to get ready to buy a home. My name's Kyle. I'm the mortgage expert, and here are a couple things that we can do to help improve your credit. First and foremost, we want to look at your credit report for errors. Oftentimes there's going to be errors on your credit report that you want to make sure are not yours, or they're off of there before you apply. Someone like myself can help you look at those errors, so don't be afraid to actually have a loan officer pull your credit report to help you with those things. Second thing is removing old accounts. A lot of times people really want to pay off debt, close old accounts, whether it's a credit card or an old loan. Anytime you close an old account, whether on purpose or by accident, by paying it off, your credit score actually goes down. So you don't necessarily want to do that. If you have questions about which accounts you should pay down or pay off, again, talk to a loan officer. I also see a lot of times where people take on new debt right before they apply. So this isn't necessarily something that's going to improve your credit score, but it's not going to hurt your credit score because you don't want to take on new debt if you can help it. So if you have credit cards that you want to consolidate or things like that, make sure you talk to a credit professional before taking on any new debt like a consolidation loan because you don't want it to hurt your chances of qualifying. The biggest thing you can really do is pay off all of the credit card debt or as much of it as possible. Paying down your credit card balances to under 10% of the utilization. So in this example, if your total credit card balance or allowable balance is say $1,000, but you owe $500, you want to get that below $100 on the $1,000 limit that you have. That's when the credit score is actually working for you. Last but not least, one of the things that nobody really knows about or that nobody's utilizing as much as they can is adding trade lines. This isn't adding debt. Adding a trade line is adding something that gives you history. So being an authorized user on someone's positive account is a great way to add a trade line. Another way is to add things like utilities, Netflix, rent, electric bills, or even cable, YouTube TV. There's a lot of services today that will add those for you at a price, but it does add history to your credit score and jumps your score up almost immediately. If you want to check out more information on this, we have another video we did on the Mortgage Celebrities channel with Dave Bergio from Trifecta Credit Solutions. Check that out. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'll talk to you soon.